And now let's look how Marts and Paula will show us a Rumba choreography with teaching count. And 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And now let's look once again to Rumba choreography, but this time in slow motion. We start in open position, left to right hand hold, preparation walk, and then we continue with 3 threes. This figure we dance 4 bars. Man dances cucarachas in different directions. And lady finishes with 3 walks and then a rope spinning. Lady walks around the man. Notice the man finishes with step outside partner. So we continue with close hip twist, which we finish in fan position. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite angle. So again we take open position, left to right hand hold, and we start with preparation walk on 4, 1, and we start 3 threes. Lady turns in same direction as a man. Man dances cucarachas and leads lady into turns. Now lady dances 3 walks forward with curve, 1 full turn and then rope spinning. Man dances second bar of rope spinning back to side forward outside partner, and we continue with close hip twist. Notice delayed walk for lady here, and we finish in fan position. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.